Alright, watching the video at the open for this break of trend. See, I don't like this. I don't want it to pull back too hard here. But we will see. Alright, 5 seconds. Let's do this, guys. Let's make the first one good. Pulling back even harder. Oxy's looking like it has the momentum right now. Wow, NVIDIA really pulling back. Oh, looks like I'm going to miss Oxy. That's a tough one. That's a tough one. However, I'm seeing Facebook right now. Oh, wow. Big push back up. I don't know if I can work with that. If it comes back down 1,000,000%. And look at Oxy go. That's a tough one. Oh, Facebook really dying here. But the thing is, these contracts are so expensive. I guess I could play a 310. Alright. A firm break-in. Wow, that thing's nuts. Firm usually likes to get hot. So let's see here if it does. If it breaks this level, it's for sure going insane. Alright, yeah, I'm going to get these calls loaded here. Let's see, 160. Waiting for a bit of a pullback. It's kind of a no man's land, actually, between these two Camarillas, so I'm kind of nervous. But let's see if we get a pullback first. Let's just wait for that first. Stock's really moving today, that's for sure. VWAP looks like it's coming up with it, which is a good sign. Oh. Did not want to get filled there. Wow. That is a tough one. Alright, now I need to do some real risk management. Did you see that flush down? Oh, jeez. Not where I want it to be. But if it respects this Camarilla, I am okay with it. But, let's see where this goes. I don't want to eat too much of a loss. Well, that's a tough one. If it breaks the 9, I'm out. If it snaps back up, it's also a good sign. This is okay. So far. Needs to push back up here. But if it holds a candle below the 9, that is an absolute stop for me. Looks to be pushing back. Oh, wow. We like that. Okay, I didn't like my entry, though, so I'm trying to get an exit somewhere. Oh, wow. This looks like it's really pushing. Trying to get out. Wow, did I really get only filled like... Jesus, okay. Only 15 bucks on the trade. That's tough. What, I got 468 left in the tank? Gosh, that is so tough. Now I would have been up 200. Oh, man. But that's alright. That's just risk management for you. Facebook looks okay. Oxy, obviously pulling back. Wow, NVIDIA. Okay, it's definitely on watch now. Let's see what we got here. The 230s is what I want to play. And this would be my last trade of the day, since I have no more buying power. Let's see if it sets up here. I like how it pulled back. Now it's going up. Now let's look for a 1-minute play here. If we get that momentum through, though, I mean, like, look at this on the daily. We have room to this deviation mark all the way at 250, which is a beautiful price target. So let's see what we get here. Oh, wow. See, look at that. I knew I was a bit nervous about that play on a firm. Look at that, pulling back there. That thing's just way too volatile. But hey, first trade green. We like that anyway. Should have been up like 200 bucks, but oh. Oxy's still ripping. This thing likes to hold the 9 when it trends, so yeah, see that? If it... I'll look for a play if this 9 catches up. Let's load up these 165s. Oof, big pullback. But look at how VWAP is really pushing here. That's a good sign. Oh wow, I'm happy I didn't take any more trades. Now would be a good time to wow guys, this is a great example of the market not picking a direction here. Facebook looks good for a play to the downside. Respecting the camera rules. However, above VWAP. If it gets below here, I think that's a... Oh, wow. Look at the dump on SPY. Jesus Christ. That is not good. Alright. Maybe time to get in Facebook. Wow, look at how expensive these are. That's crazy. 305s. I'll take a play. In a 440. Big drop off of these levels. Let's see if it, this is the low of yesterday, so let's see if it still respects that level and can keep going down here. I mean, this is a picture perfect trade for the downside. Right on the 200. Let's go Facebook. Still showing strength though. Volume coming in on these contracts. Look at that. And at 440, remember. Let's check the 5. Wow. What a candle on the 5 minute. Alright. And right back up. Look at that. I think he's just trying to shake people out. Q still has room to the downside. Here we go. Should be picking up some money on these now. There we go. Pre-market low. Still got to watch this Camarilla point. And right back up. Look at that. But it's setting up. It is setting up. That just looks so hot. Okay. Can we get some more downside, please? Wow, markets are really dumping right now. I don't like how it's holding here right at the low. It's got to break. There we go. See, right back up. I do not like that. Okay, out. 444. What's that, Phil? Made a bit of money on that $4. Yo, this is crazy, guys. I should have been... Hey, but listen, though. This is what it's like to trade with a small account. And look at that pushback up, see? Oh, man. That is unbelievable. I think for a Monday, not a bad day, though. I mean, we're getting lots of movement. And as I say that, Oxy is just still ripping higher. But not bad, though. Not bad. Jesus, imagine if I took that trade, huh, on the video? I mean, still would have respected my rules, but... Alright, now I just want to take a lotto on SPY. Look at this. Not actually, but this is unbelievable. Coming down to S2 here. Wow, this is an extended move. But understandable because, I don't know, I love technicals, guys. Well, obviously I'm a day trader, right? But... check this out on the SPY. This has been a big channel. Let's go on the 5-year for you guys. Look at this. You're getting some knowledge from me even after I'm done trading. I have 27 left, but I mean, I don't think I will take another trade. But yeah, this has been a thing since even before COVID. But yeah, as you can see, very respected. This is kind of where the drop happened. But no coincidence. And my purple line is right here, and we're falling off of that. I would expect to at least come back. I want to see this 50 curl up higher, and then maybe fill some volume up in this area, because you see that. If you guys didn't see my my setup video, please check that out, and I'll explain everything here. And also leave me a comment if you want me to do an actual tutorial on how I set up my charts and everything like that. So, but hey, we take that though. Decent first day. I see my contracts. They are losing value. Wow, look at that. If it curls back, I wish I had the funds for another trade. Wow, what a pullback. Oxy though, what did I say? When this thing moves, it just still moves. Alright guys, well, I'll probably just add this into the end of like a little knowledge portion. Yeah, those are the trades. I'm looking at one more on the SPY here, looking at the 450s. I do still have 20 bucks left, but I've seen this before. When it drops, we get a little bit of resistance to the 9, and then let's see if we can break through S1 through 3. Maybe hit S4 all the way down here. This is exactly what I like to see. So let's see if I can actually make more money than the two trades combined here. I'll take a stab here. Alright, so we're in at 17.5. Not bad. Wouldn't be surprised if this goes through, but you know me. Once it passes the 9, I am outski. Pressure still. I mean, look at the volume here. Increasing volume on this candle as well, which is nice. If it gets over this 9, I'm willing to let it ride just a little bit more, since my dollar cost is very low. If this contract lost 100% of the value, I would still be near break even. So that's my reasoning behind that. This is a big jump on this. Oh, there we go. There's the push down. It has to push down here, though. If it breaks up, that's not going to look good for the downside. Bollinger Band starting to curl away here, so I kind of want to see it go like this, like a snake, which means that we're ready for another push downwards. There we go. It looks good. Need to get through these Camarillas. Wow, big push back up. Okay. It's weird because stocks don't usually respect the Bollingers on the 5, but the 1 minute is very relevant. So, yeah, this is not good. Yeah, I'm out of here. Okay, what did I get, Phil? That's 16, of course. Okay, that's not bad. Still 13 up on the day. I think that just wiped away my Facebook trade. Unfortunately. Not quite, but with commissions, yes. Okay, maybe a silly one, but in my book, that is 1,000% worth it. Alright, everyone, thanks for watching my first video on my day trading series. So I really hope you enjoyed. I hope you guys learned something about my strategy and the things that I look for in my trades and everything like that. So today, glad to say it was a green day. Should have been much more, but I think I managed my risk, I should say, extremely well. So 6 trades total, up $13 on the day. So not too bad. Let's go, guys.